Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to the big workshop, and check out what I got here. I got the Vacmaster 6gal 3HP vacuum here, and we are going to check this thing out. Look at this. This is the box here, and we are in the big workshop. So let's open this thing up and check it out. Okay, so we got the manual, and then see if I can pick this thing up. Big old hose. The wand, I guess. Ooh, another piece of the wand. Oh. And here it is. So let's check this thing out. Look at it here. It's got flat bottom there. And let's see what's inside here. So we can open it up. And here we go. We got a nice filter in there. We've got some cardboard. We have, I guess, another foam filter. I guess this is going to be the vacuum bag. We got wheels. The wheels. I guess this is a hose attachment. More wheels and stuff. Here's a vacuum. We have a handle. We have the little wand attachment. Then we have a little bag of screws. I don't know. Let's see how this thing goes together. I'm sure we can figure it out. Let me look at the manual and see anyway. I'm guessing we're going to need a screwdriver for these little screws here to screw them in. So let's see what we got here. Pretty much that's going to be the one thing I'm going to need to do. So let's see how these are going to go. These are going to go down in here like that. So 1, 2. So the screws, you can see I'm putting the wheels on here. The screws would be to mount the wheels on permanently, but for our purposes here of showing you guys how it works, we don't need to do that. Get this one on the top here. I got the wire on. And you can see when you're trying to put the clips on, it'll line up, right? A little bit more. Right there. So there we're lined up. And then we have the handle will go up here. And again, we're going to need some screws to screw that in, but we don't need to screw it in a moment. And we've got this board here, which is nice. It comes with a little Velcro tie here. Very cool. There we go. And I have a plug behind me. I'll plug it in here in a second. Then we have our little wand here, which I guess this is going to be a little air vent here to adjust the pressure. And we have, well, I guess one side's going to be stuck and one side's going to be below. So we'll try this one here. Turn it in. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Oops. Okay, we're plugged in. And we've got a little bit of tape on the switch. Red. Oh, very cool. And then it's got the little attachment here. I like it. It's got all the different little attachments. And then we've got our vacuum bag. So right now we have the filter going on in there. But I guess if we wanted to, we could switch out the filter and put the vacuum bag on if we wanted to collect everything instead of having it blow out. We just hook the filter onto where it's sucking it in there, and it'll suck it out of the bag. So this is very cool. So it's the Vacmaster, and super cool. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.